told us that women don't like sex. I like sex. If I don't like sex, how will I have children? And you are just pretending you like sex. African culture has told you, your grandmother has said it. A woman should not show that she enjoys sex. Otherwise, they will call her prostitute. When the man is touching you, you are happy. So the first thing is to disbelieve that in your mind. Otherwise, you will be causing problem in your marriage. Tell yourself sex is good. I want my husband. And when you are having sex with your husband, don't pretend and just be like missionary.
Donc
talk more. You see how you are laughing. Sex is good. Don't believe that African mentality. Let's change it. The devil is using it to destroy marriages because that's the highest level of intimacy. Tickle your husband. Touch him when he's making love to you. When he finishes, tell him, good job.